Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. Hi, I'm Jill, and today we are going to make a super easy flatbread.
It's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
So we're just going to get right into it. This bread is based on quinoa instead of whole wheat because I have 2 people in my family that are gluten sensitive. So I was so happy to find this recipe that is basically just quinoa. So you start with 1 cup of quinoa. And it doesn't matter which type. You can use the light, it's just a preference of if you want it to look more like a typical flatbread, you use the lighter quinoa. Just gonna put this in my blender cup with 1.5 cups of water. And a teaspoon of onion powder, and that's gonna give it some flavor. And I will give you the link to this delicious onion powder. I use it in almost all of my main dishes because it's just so delicious. And we're just gonna blend this up until it's smooth. And I'm using my NutriBullet here. You can use a Magic Bullet or just a regular blender. They all work just fine. And I already have my oven preheated to 400 degrees. And my cookie sheet here is just a regular cookie sheet lined with 1 piece of parchment paper because I hate cleaning cookie sheets. It's the worst. And this recipe would really just stick to it. You need to use the parchment paper because after we bake it, we're gonna flip it over and peel the parchment paper off. So you just pour it onto your baking sheet. And then, you can just kind of just spread it around a little bit. And then we'll pop it in our oven it takes about 20 minutes. And then we have this magical flatbread. Okay guys, here it is. Here's your flatbread. And I left it in for about 5 more minutes, so roughly 25 minutes. So we're just going to flip this over. This oozed out underneath it a little bit, so it's a little bit stuck, but that's right. We'll just work with it here. Okay, so that means I'm gonna have to clean this cookie sheet. Oh. Flip it over. And this is the part that takes a little bit of finesse. It really helps if you just, I took it out of the oven and it's been sitting here for, about 5 minutes. If you let it sit out just a little bit, then it's a little bit easier to pull the paper off without tearing it too bad. So you just gingerly peel from one side to the other side. Voila, that's simple. So awesome. And here we go. So be sure, if you haven't subscribed already, to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified when our next content comes out. And also click at the end if you want to get a free membership to our online community. And I'll taste this. It's delicious. So simple. 3 ingredients, 20 minutes. This is great for dipping in soups. I've got tons of soup recipes, so I'll link you up with a playlist right next to this. And I'll see you next time.